Now then, we're going to do an unboxing of this Makita DUN 461WZ. Now, I don't know what it's about unboxings. Is it just to make it like a birthday, or are we going to get something unexpected in the box? I'm going to chop my fingers. Whoops, shoot. This machine was only about 128 quid, but first impressions is these are about 250 compared to this. I see why it's so much cheaper. Because it looks nastier. Does it work? Not yet. Oh, pretty limp. Well, I mean, that looks like a toy really, but this is a right pain. I'm to press that into to engage the trigger. That is awful. Very bad design. Lengthwise, it's not a lot longer, is it? Not a lot longer, so that's quite disappointing. Full stretch. Excuse me. This one's not kaput anyway, so that's going to go back in that box and get sent back. But first impressions is this is very plasticky. want something thicker. That is just so crap. That mechanism. It's not even liking stuff that thick, so I'm a bit. It's a bit domesticified, is this? My brother cut that, so that's my brother's cutting. Trying some nettles. Well, it likes cutting nettles. Bad bit of willow. Bit of laurel. Wedge down here. So, the jury's still out with this one, but for 120 quid, yeah, I was hoping it'd be a bit better, weight, quality wise, but time will tell.